Have you ever clicked buy shares on Afrinvestor only to realize your account isn't funded? That's the number one mistake that keeps beginners stuck. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fund your Afrinvestor account step by step so you never miss out on buying the shares you want fast, simple, and without error. Before we dive into it, there are things you need to know and put in place when buying shares or when you intend to go into the shares investment market. So before I show you the step-by-step process of funding your Afrinvestors account, let me quickly share why this step is very important. Without money in your account, you cannot buy or sell shares. So, funding your account is the very first move if you want to start invest. Meaning, after you might have registered successfully, your account has been activated, you have been given your CSCS number. The next step is for you to fund your wallet. Now, every investor gives you different options to fund your wallet. It now depends on the best one you want to make use of or the best one you know how to make use of. You have option for bank transfer and you also have option for card payment. Then you can choose in between these two options the one you want to go for. It all lies in your hand. But the method you choose matters. Some reflect instantly, while others may take a little time before it reflects. Beginners often make the mistake of rushing to buy shares without checking if their funds have dropped or using the wrong account details, and that can cause unnecessary delays. So here is my advice to you if you are just getting started on Afrinvestor 2.0. Number one, always double check your account number or reference. By the time we get to where we want to do the practical aspect, you're going to see what I mean by this by double checking. Make sure the account number that is being generated for you is what you copy and paste while sending your money into the account to prevent unnecessary headache and complaints or delay. Then, secondly, try to fund during banking hours for faster reflection. Then, number three, if you are funding for the first time, start small just to confirm the process works smoothly. For you to know the process you want to go for whenever you want to fund your wallet. What I mean by start small is, let's assume you want to fund 100,000. You can go first by funding 10,000 so as for you to know the way it works and get used to it. Then the first one, and most importantly, keep your login and funding details secure and only use the official Afrinvestor app so as to prevent stories that touches the heart. Now that you know what to put in place as a newbie in the Afrinvestor world, let's go straight into the practical step by step on how you can fund your wallet. But before then, if you are yet to like this video, kindly like this video. Also smash that subscribe button if this is something you will like to see more of this. And don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. Let's proceed. What you need to do is to come right down to your Afrinvestor 2.0 app. Log in and you'll be having this interface. Once you get here, click on this fund wallet. and it will take you straight down to this particular interface. In this place, you can see it says how much do you want to fund your wallet with. So you input that particular amount you want to fund your wallet with, and make sure any amount you are imputing here is the exact amount you are going to send from your bank app. So let's assume we want to send 10,000 to this our Afrinvestor 2.0 account. You input that 10,000 here. If you want to send 50,000 from your account, you input that actual amount here and you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will take you to this interface where you need to pick which method of this section that you want to make use of. Is it through your credit or debit card or through your bank transfer? So if you are using your credit or debit card, you click on it like this. Give it a moment to get your order and it will load up this particular interface for you. Use one of the payment method below to pay the amount you want to pay to Afrinvest Security Limited. Then you can now pick any of this. That is if you want to use your ATM card. If you are paying with your ATM card, you need to input the correct card details right here in the provided box where you have enter your card details to pay. You input the card number that is at the back of your card. Then your card expiry date is also on the card. Then your CVV. Your CVV is that 3 digits number that is always at the back of your ATM card. You are going to include each of these 3 digits. You input it right here. Then you click on pay. Once you click on pay, it's going to synchronize your ATM and your money will be deducted from that particular account that you've imputed the card details. That is for those who might want to use card for their payment on Afrinvestor 2.0. Now let's go to those who might want to use. So for those who might want to use bank transfer, just click on bank transfer, allow it to also load up and it will take you to this spot. You can see right here it's showing bank transfer instant. Fund your wallet by transferring funds to your virtual account using any of your bank mobile app. So here what you will be doing is just to come right down here and click on this copy sign that you are seeing here. So once you copy it, it's going to copy the account number to your clipboard. And in this case, there is something I want you to make sure you observe and put in your mind when you want to go send the money. Because you are going to copy this account number and take it to your bank app to send the money the normal way you send money to someone. But before then, make sure you observe the bank. The bank is Money Point Bank. Then the account name, you can see mine is showing Raf. Your own will be showing your name on it. This is my personal Afrinvestor account that I can send money into right now. So if you are doing your own, you are going to be seeing your name and your bank will be different or might be different, depends on the bank available at the moment you want to make that transfer. So what you need to do is to just click on copy, then go to your bank and send the actual amount you want to send. Just copy, navigate to your bank app, like this, and you send the money. Paste that account number that you've copied and send the actual amount that you want to send into that account is what you should input while processing it. I hope you understand. And once you do that, you come back here and click on transfer done. If you are using bank transfer, immediately you click on transfer done, it will take you back to this place and you will be seeing your money reflected on your dashboard here, where I presently have portfolio value. You can see it right here. Your money will be showing here once you have made the transfer successfully. I hope you understand and hope this helps. If you find value in this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and drop my thank you in the comment section also. Watch this video on your screen for you to learn how to start buying shares step by step. I will see you in the next video.